Welcome to this comprehensive review of the production process of the BMW 5 Series at the BMW Group Plant Dingolfing. As one of BMW's flagship models, the 5 Series is synonymous with luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the manufacturing facility, the advanced production techniques, and the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into creating these iconic vehicles. The BMW Group Plant Dingolfing is an impressive state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Dingolfing, Bavaria. Spanning over a vast area, it houses multiple production lines dedicated to various BMW models, with the BMW 5 Series taking center stage. The sheer scale and organization of the plant demonstrate BMW's commitment to quality and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Dingolfing plant is its extensive use of robotics and automation throughout the production process. Robotic arms perform intricate tasks with precision, from welding and painting to assembly and quality control. The integration of smart technology streamlines operations, resulting in consistent build quality and faster production times. While automation plays a crucial role in the manufacturing process, the human touch remains integral to producing the BMW 5 Series. Skilled craftsmen meticulously handle critical aspects like fitting interiors, upholstery, and fine-tuning components. The combination of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship ensures that each vehicle meets BMW's exacting standards of luxury and comfort. BMW is committed to sustainability, and the Dingolfing plant is no exception. The facility employs eco-friendly practices, such as using renewable energy sources and implementing water-saving measures. Additionally, the production process focuses on recycling materials and reducing waste, aligning with BMW's dedication to environmental responsibility. The BMW Group Plant Dingolfing impressively showcases the harmonious fusion of technology and craftsmanship, resulting in the production of the iconic BMW 5 Series. From the precision of robotic arms to the meticulous touch of skilled artisans, every step in the manufacturing process reflects BMW's dedication to excellence. The plant's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility further enhances the appeal of the BMW 5 Series. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply curious about the production of luxury automobiles, this review provides a captivating insight into the creation of one of BMW's most celebrated vehicles.